I'll give it back to you at the end of this stop, okay?
So as part of the policy...
Is there a way that I can get my automobile back? I don't refer to it as a vehicle because that's a commercial term, such as traffic stop, transport,
if I'm going to agree to
passenger.
if I'm going to agree to some of your verbiage, I think you should be necessary, to agree to some of ours. Okay.
Do my dogs need a license?
Yeah, your vehicle will be impounded.
I don't have a vehicle. I have a car, an automobile. It's listed on the bill of sale as that, I believe.
I'm not going to...
It's private property, actually, is what it's...
Semantic.
Car, perfect.
He's going to give you...
It's not a motor vehicle, and I'm not an operator.
He's going to give you the paperwork on how to get it out from the tow company, okay? He'll provide you all that paperwork.
And you're saying it's necessary that I declare myself an entity of the state to be able to do that?
I consider you a human being who has the ability to do that.
Yeah, but what do you consider my identification to be? Like a piece of plastic that says driver's license on that. Is that me or am I me? Are you your driver's license? Is this your car or do you just use it? Is that my car or do I just use it? I believe I'm just using things. I use a name, but I'm not a name.
Okay.
I have a name that was given to me.
And I completely respect that. I do.
But obviously you don't forgive me.
I don't have to agree with it, but I do respect your opinion.
But you don't forgive me. What have I done to offend you?
I didn't do anything to offend you.
So how come I can't be forgiven and just let go on my way? Why do I need to be somebody's revenue agent?
We didn't make the rules.
I know, but you just follow them. That's what the Nazis, the officers in Nuremberg said. I was just doing my job. We don't make the rules. We just swear oaths to uphold them. And I believe you swore an oath to the Constitution. Am I wrong? Or did you swear an oath to uphold statute? I don't think you swore an oath to uphold state statute. I think you swore an oath to uphold the United States Constitution and the Oregon Constitution.
We just interpret those differently, apparently.
Well, you need to read them to be able to interpret them. For example, Article 1, Section 1 of the Oregon Constitution says that the people have all the power. I'm one of the people. You are persons. You are a lower rank. I'm not a Mr. because that's a title. I don't use titles. You guys all operate under rank, title, sir, officer, etc. Correct? Why do I need to make a claim of controversy like that? Why do I need to claim a title? Why should I have to claim a title? It's a religion. I believe you guys are following a religion, a state religion. What is a state? Can you introduce me to the state of Oregon? No? Who is the state of Oregon? Oh, a prosecutor acts or represents the state of Oregon, but I can never actually meet the state of Oregon. So who's the victim here? The victim must be me, because the state of Oregon doesn't even exist. You guys are liable in your private capacity for even this interaction. And I would recommend you read the forced contract notice as well on the car. Arrest or interrogation is $50,000 per hour. Billed in your private capacity, which means you don't have immunity. Plus, you're looking at charges under Title 18, Section 242, I believe.
Are you gonna bring your bags with you?
I believe so.
Okay. I'd imagine you don't want me looking through your bags, so I'm not going to do that. The only thing I'm asking for you to do is is just not to open them up. Okay.
There's
Sounds
just
fair?
clothes in there.
Okay. I don't know if there's weapons or anything else like that. And if you let me look through there, I can confirm you can do whatever you want in there. But that part's up to you. I don't have I can't search your bag without your consent, and all I'd be searching for is weapons.
So what are we looking at right now? Just theft of my car?
Okay, well, that's fine. You can grab whatever you want to out of your car. Just don't open up any bags, okay? I didn't open up any containers. Are you going to leave the key with your vehicle? To get your vehicle back, you need to bring a licensed driver, proof of insurance, and proof of ownership.
Can I just have them come right now?
The tow's already been ordered.
The proof of ownership is in the car.
Okay, well, you can grab your proof of ownership. find a licensed driver with valid proof of insurance for this vehicle.
Under how?
to our,
I'm not operating in commerce.
You're operating under our.
I'm not operating under your jurisdiction as well.
Yes, you are.
Can you show that?
You can contest that, and you can call our county.
How can you just assume that I'm operating in your jurisdiction?
Well, this is Clackamas County, state of Oregon, correct?
Oh yeah, who is state of Oregon?
Well,
Listen, just for a second. 1859, right? That's when the state of Oregon was officially created.
correct.
By a piece of paper. So you can't claim the state of Oregon as the land or any kind of boundaries. The state of Oregon is a legal fiction, just like a legal person is a legal fiction.
The world's run on little pieces of paper. That's how the world operates.
It's actually run on black magic, and the judge is wearing a black cloak for that reason. He operates from a book of spells. Lawyers use prayers and pleadings.
Are you going to keep the car, or are you going to take it with you? It'll save you about $50 to get out of the tow lot.
Whatever I can do to retain all my rights, I'd like to invoke that at this time.
So would you like to keep the car, the key with the vehicle, or not?
All of my constitutional rights that I'm going to hold against you because you swore the oath to the Constitution, not I believe.
So that's a no?
You're violating my rights any way we look at it.
That's fine, but like I said, if you feel like your rights have been violated, then you have the right to go to take care of it in the courts of the state of Oregon or the civil courts, wherever.
You're stealing my private property.
For the purposes only of...
Will you be providing identification to me as well?
My name is going to be on the bottom of your citation, correct.
And badge number?
All that. Yes, sir.
But not bond number? Or
I don't have a bond number.
You're not bonded?
I don't know what that is.
You don't know what a bond is?
I know what a...
So you can't be responsible if you injure someone? You're not responsible for that?
I'm going to finish your paperwork.
Oh, you guys are all bonded. Yeah. Bonded, licensed, and insured.
Hey Trent, why don't you go ahead and grab out your car when you want, okay? You guys do this to people a lot?
Is he looking at you when he's doing that?
Yeah, it has a hole in it. This is very humiliating to me. Extremely humiliating. That's okay, you guys can pay for it, right? You got lots of money? I mean, we're talking lots of money. Lots and lots. Will I get your name in Discovery along with all the videos?
If you go through the appeals process, you can get it then.
The appeal process? No, we're talking about trial. Appeal is after trial. After voir dire, which is the questioning of the jury. I hope you're there. Because you won't need to be there for the criminal proceeding. That's all commercial. I go for the private capacity. Come on, you guys. Come on. Make you feel unsafe if I put on my coat?
Go ahead.
I would like to thank you guys. I've been waiting for this. This was actually the bait car. Would you like one of my cards? All right.
Thanks, sir.
Yep.
Was there anything on the driver's side you wanted? I noticed you didn't go over there.
I think I'm good.
I don't want you to forget anything.
You're welcome to deprive me of my property now.
There's some stuff up here that we got out of your pockets originally that you might want to put in there. Stuff that was originally in your pocket, okay?
I have cases going on right now for this Same thing you guys are doing to me right now. Federal District Court lawsuits for Title 18 violations under color of law. Do you know what that is? Operating under color of law? It means you're acting with some authority that you haven't provided any proof of. Look it up. Title 18, Section 242. Violation of rights under color of law. 10 years imprisonment. It's America, right? Still America? You guys never even told me what the emergency was you're declaring with the blue lights. That's a felony. To not declare an emergency, but use the lights. Come on. No, come here. Come here. What if I know someone that lives here and they're letting me stay here? Do you still have to tow my car? You do? Just because you guys did this big scene? Man. I'd like to take all my keys with me. Why do you need the key?
Well, like I explained, it's going to save you about $50 from the tow company. Every time they hook up to the car, they charge a hookup fee. So if you have the key to the vehicle, it saves you that money.
So you're not only stealing my private property in your private capacity,
that's fine.
but
your keys.
you're helping it, to cost me more as well. Is satisfying this job you guys have?
It's a living.
It's a living? So you guys believe in classes then? Classes, races of humans? You're like a racist because you have a badge. That's pretty sad, man.
Those are your words, not mine. Those are always just your words.
Yeah.
Just
Yeah, they
yours.
are. And the words of an enlightened person that's taken the time to investigate. I've investigated the law for years, and everything leads me in the direction of it being fraudulent. You guys are committing fraud. I'm the one not committing fraud here. Crimes against humanity, even. What gives you guys the right to steal from me? Come here. Come here. Where does it say that you guys can steal from me? And who wrote that book? And where did I sign it? How do I have a part of that book that you guys are getting all your spells out of? And I don't want to sound crazy, but they are spells because you guys enforce them with force. And it's not even law. It's statute. Law is the Constitution, if anything. But I haven't even sworn an oath to uphold that. You have. You're supposed to protect my rights under that Constitution. Am I wrong? Are you not supposed to serve and protect the people? Or am I high? That's not your job? That's not in the job description? Serve and protect? You just don't even gratify me with answers? Yeah.
Okay, sir. So like I explained before, to get your vehicle back, you need to bring a licensed driver, proof of insurance for this vehicle, and proof of ownership of the vehicle to 90.01 Sunnybrook. It's for our records division is. There's a sheriff's office release fee that you need to pay. I don't know who the tow company is going to be yet, so if you'd like to stick around and figure out who that's going to be, you're more than welcome to, and I'll let you know as soon as I can. It's going to go on my report.
You've been noticed. I'll just charge for the value of, the car. That's fine. I won't be seeking it back.
What's your phone number?
My phone number?
Correct.
Am I required to give that to you?
Nope. Do you want to sign stating this is all accurate and correct?
Yeah, I'll qualify my signature. Meaning without prejudice, they can't ever use it for anything. It's like concrete that hasn't set up. By signing, would I be contracting with you?
You don't have to sign. Here's your copy. If you have any questions, all that information is on the back of this form. Next, you're being issued 2 citations. One's a violation, one's a criminal citation. First, I'll go with the criminal citation. You're being cited and released.
Because you can't
For
obviously take me to a judge right now.
Fail to carry and present a license. You have a court date of November 2nd, 2013 at 3 o'clock p.m. It's at our downtown Oregon City Courthouse. It's 807 Main Street, room 104. You need to show up to there, otherwise you'll be issued a warrant for your arrest.
For my name's arrest?
For your name's arrest, okay. Do you have any questions on that?